Hi there, welcome back to BotSailor. Are you tired of answering the same questions of your customers over and over again? Do you want to provide your customers with a better experience? If so, then a chatbot is the perfect solution for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook Messenger chatbot using BotSailor. In this video, I will walk you through the steps of creating a simple e-commerce chatbot that can answer any questions about your business, showcase your products, and also confirm orders. Once the order is confirmed, customers' data will be automatically saved into your database so that you can check it out later. Before we get started, there are two things that you will need: a Facebook page and a BotSailor account. Once you have everything you need, we can get started to create the chatbot. Log into your BotSailor account, then go to the dashboard, scroll down to connect accounts in the Facebook section, and connect your Facebook page with your BotSailor account. You can watch our YouTube video on this topic also if you want, so link will be in the description. Now go to Bot Manager, choose the bot account where you want to create this new e-commerce bot. This one is for duplicating an existing chatbot. This one is for copying a chatbot to another chatbot account. Click on this option and select a bot account where you want to copy the bot. If I choose this account and go to another bot account, as you can see, my chatbot is copied to this account also. You can export a bot using this option and later import it to another bot account. This one is for editing a bot flow and this one is for deleting. Now let's dive into building an e-commerce chatbot. Click that create button to get ready to explore the visual flow builder. But before we get started, let me introduce you to the building blocks of any Facebook chatbot in BotSailor. First, I'm gonna grab a text component, double click on it to open the input field where you can type out all the messages of your chatbot that will deliver. So now just delete it for now. Now right click to open the component list. We will pick an image component, double click on it and paste an image URL, or you can also upload it from your computer. Now let's add an audio component. Double click on it and add an audio URL file or upload one from your computer, just like the image component. Up next, the Carousel component. This is where the magic happens for your e-commerce chatbot. You can add images, links, titles, and subtitles to create a visually appealing product showcase. We will dive deeper into this later in this video, so for now, just delete it. Let me introduce you the AI reply component. Here, you will train your chatbot with your product information, company details, or any other relevant data. Your bot will learn from this and provide helpful answers to your customer queries. Now for Facebook media component. This one's a bit tricky actually. Suppose you want to send a video file. You will need to get the URL from Facebook's media source and paste it here. So if we go to our Facebook page and choose this video and copy this URL from the top bar and paste it over here. Copying and pasting directly from Facebook's share option won't work in this case, so be careful about that. Next up, the video component. Just like the image and audio components, you can paste a video URL or you can also upload one from your computer. Then we have the file component. It also works similarly like video and audio component, so we can follow those steps like that. Now let's explore the RCN component. RCN stands for recurring notification. Use this to send reminder messages through your chatbot to your customer. Here you can set a title, choose a postback ID, and optionally add an image as well. So this is how you can do it. Now delete this component. Then we have the generic template component. You can upload an image, add a destination link, and provide a title or subtitle. You can also add a button with the custom name on it. Up next, we have the user input flow component. We will discuss about this in detail when we build our e-commerce chatbot, so please keep watching the video until it's there. Finally, we have the HTTP API component. You can set up APIs over here. If you click on this create button, you'll be redirected to the Facebook HTTP API page of BotSailor. Here you can set up a lot of APIs to do a lot of things. We will cover this in more detail in the next video. And last but not least, the conditional component. You can create more intelligent, helpful, and engaging chatbots using this component in your bot flow. Double click on it, and as you can see, there's two toggle buttons and the system field and custom field to set the conditions that you want for your bot reply. Now that we have learned all about the components that is used to make a Facebook chatbot in BotSailor, let's make an e-commerce chatbot and show you how you can use those components to create a practical chatbot. So let's get started. Click on the Create button to open the Visual Flow Builder. Double click on the Startbot Flow component and set a trigger keyword. For example, let's use e-commerce 1. Okay. Now for the title, I'm gonna write e-commerce store. This is the bot title actually. It will help you find in the bot reply section. And save the component. Right. Drag a text component. And in the input field, I'm gonna write, welcome to the Galaxy Store, a one-stop platform for all your home essentials requirements. Okay, now just take a emoji and save it. Now drag and drop another text component and add the following message. We sell various daily products like food, beauty products, clothes, home stuffs, and electronics also. Now take an emoji. Oops, I made a mistake over here. Let's just correct it and save it. Drag another text component with this message. Please select how would you like to proceed today. Okay. Now let's take two buttons. First one is grocery store and the second one is web store. Okay. In this button, I will have to provide my online store URL so that when a user clicks on this button, he can be redirected to our online store. So I'm just gonna go to my online store, copy the URL and paste it over here and save it. So now our customers can choose if he wants to stay in the chatbot or if he wants to go to the online store. Now I will take a text component from the grocery shopping this button. What this will do is if a customer chooses to stay in the chatbot and continue the grocery shopping, he will get the next text that I'm going to write over here right now. So I'm gonna write, sure, we can help you with that and save it. Now I'm going to take 3 more buttons. The first one will be fruits and vegetables. And when user press the button, I'm going to select the send message and save it. Okay. The second one will be bakery, eggs and dairy. Okay, just like before, send message again and save it. And the third one will be packaged food, send message and save it. Okay. Now from the fruits and vegetable button, I'm going to drag a text component and here I'm going to ask my customers if they want to check out the fruits list and or the vegetables list. So I'm gonna write, please select the item that you would like to order and this emoji and save it. From this text component, let's drag 2 buttons from it. Double click on the first button and give a title name that is fresh fruit and choose to send a message for this option and save it. Alright, let's move on to our second button that is fresh vegetables and I will choose to send a message here also. To add a bit of fun, let's include a quote about the amazing benefits of fruits. I mean, why not, right? Here's the one I like. Fruit a day keeps the worry away. Just this emoji and save it. Drag another text component from here and I'm gonna write, so which one would you like to order and this emoji and okay, save. Now let's showcase our products using a carousel component. By default, there will be 3 carousel single components, but you can drag as many carousel single components as you want. So let me just organize this a little bit. Okay, done. So here, double click on this component and we need to upload our product picture. I have already organized my product pictures in one folder. So first, let's choose an apple. Add the title and save it. The same way, we will add a bunch of bananas, add the title, save it. Following that, let's add some tangy kiwis. Save the button. And finally, let's finish up with our sweet juicy oranges. To complete this section, we will add a call to action button. This will allow users to learn more and purchase our products. So double click on this button and type buy now and here choose to send a message just like before. Copy this text and paste it in our other components also. Now let's set up a quick user input flow to gather some order details from our customers. So double click on it, select add new input flow and in the campaign name I'm gonna write user information and save it. Now I'm gonna set some questions related to orders of my customers. So double click on this question component. I'm gonna choose multiple choice. In this question field, let's write, please share how much quantity you would like to buy. Now let's add some multiple options from 10, 20, 50 and 100. Okay, reply type will be just numbers. Custom field will be this one. I'm selecting a custom field to save the customer's answer in my database. You can check it out later from the subscriber manager. Now let's save it. Now drag another question component. Here I'm gonna ask for customer's email. Click on this attach email quick reply. It will help your customers send their email quickly. Moving on forward, here I'm gonna ask for the phone number of the customer. And drag another question component, and here I'm going to ask for delivery location. Now I'm gonna add a thank you message, and it's done. Now I'm just gonna attach other button components also with this user input flow, so that if my customers choose other options, I can still collect those data too. Now let's go to the other button that is called fresh vegetables and add vegetable items in our carousel, and repeat this same process for that button also. So drag a text component and type in a code just like fruits. So I'm gonna write, you don't have to eat less, you just have to eat right, and this emoji, and save it. Now clone this component and attach it with this component. Drag a carousel component for vegetable item, organize it a bit. This one is for carrot, and this one is for cauliflower. This one is for potatoes. Now just like earlier, I'm gonna set up the buttons. And finally, add these buttons also with the user input flow, so that we just created earlier. Now our bot is ready for testing, so let's go to our Facebook page and send a message with a trigger keyword. So I'm gonna open my messenger and I'm gonna type in Ecommerce 12, and our bot is already replying. So I'm gonna select grocery shopping. Okay, then fruits and vegetables. I'm gonna choose the fresh fruits, and that's our code. And as you can see, this is the carousel that we created earlier. I'm gonna choose the apple by now. I'm gonna choose 10. Type in your email address, okay, k@gmail.com. Now for the phone number, okay, great. Now for the address, my house address is and fine. And our order is completed, and agent will call us soon. So that's how the bot works. This is just a simple bot, but you can make a very complex one if you wish. Now that you know all about the components, you can choose to make as complex as you can do. So this is all about it for this video. Until next upload, see ya. Have a great day.